people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faith, men's personal stylist and shopper based in Lagos, Nigeria. I'm sure from the few seconds you already watched at the beginning, you know that we are unboxing and styling today. So I'm just going to go straight into it, and I'm going to be unboxing 3 items in 2 different categories. But the items I'm going to be unboxing are things I've already shown you before on this channel, and I've done separate videos on these 2 categories of items. So I'm going to be very brief in this video so that I can send off these items to my clients already. So we are going to go straight into it, okay? So the first category of items we have here are fragrances. All right, so this is Police Portion Power Eau de Parfum for him, and this is a Eau de Toilette. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I hope there's no French person looking at me and thinking I'm saying nonsense. Anyway, I've given fragrance tips on this channel before, and I've linked the video where I went in depth on fragrances for men and how to make sure your fragrances last right here. You will also see it in the description box below, but I'm just going to do a quick brush through. If you want your fragrances to last, number 1 is you need to understand the type of fragrance you're buying, the ingredients they are made of, the base notes. The Eau de Parfum is different from the Eau de Toilette, and the Eau de Parfum lasts longer. All right, so the Eau de Toilette is basically like a body spray, while the other one is a perfume actually, but they have different concentration levels, and those concentration levels are what determine if it's going to last all day or half a day or a few hours. Another way to make sure your perfume lasts longer is that once you're out of the shower, spray your perfume. Yes, that's because your pores are still open. The perfume can go into your body and stay there. Another way to make sure your perfume lasts longer is to make sure you are spraying the pulse points. So you're spraying behind your ear, you're spraying this part of your hand, you're spraying this other part of your body. You know, you're spraying strategic places behind your knees, behind your back, so that when you are being hugged or you're hugging someone, they can perceive nice odor. All right, and the last point is to make sure you're not rubbing your hands when you spray your perfume. So we usually do this when we spray. That's not good, and that's because when you do that, you're going to be causing heat, and once it mixes with your perfume, it gives a very negative reaction, and it may, instead of it to give a really nice smell, it may give an awful smell. All right, so just watch that video that I've linked in the description box below for a detailed fragrance tip video for men. Now let's go to the next item that we are unboxing, and this is it. Whoosh, it's so beautiful, guys. It's this beautiful Carlos Santos box, and we're going to see what's inside it right now. The first thing I like about this is their packaging, and they write their thank you note on the cover of the box. It's so cute, guys. The next thing is that it comes with a shoe on. I've talked about the importance of shoe on also in the monk shoe video I did before. I've also linked that here and in the description box below. And now this one comes with 2 separate dust bags for the 2 legs of the shoe, and they still have this lovely, I don't know what this is. It's a booklet that is talking about different shoe lasts. And now we are going to, hey guys, look at, I hope you can see it. This is the shoe, so beautiful, guys. Look at that, look at this, very stunning. So very quickly, I'm just going to tell you what you should be doing with your monk shoes. Monk shoes are very versatile because of the strap. It removes the formality from formal shoes. That means that you can wear it with your semi-formal outfits, with your casual outfits, even with your native wear. And we have 2 different types. We have the single strap and the double monk strap. So this is the double monk strap. Coincidentally or fortunately for you, the first video I did was a single monk strap, so you can check out that video. But this can be worn on your suit, on your jeans, even with your shorts. And if you don't want to do leather for casual wear, you'll see that there are casual shoes that come in monk strap designs. So one thing you should notice is that when you're wearing your formal outfit, especially when you're wearing a dark suit, it's best to wear a dark colored monk strap shoe. All right, so if you're not doing black, maybe you should do like really dark brown or ox blood. That is so important. With your other outfits, maybe your semi-formal outfits where you're pairing a sports coat with a chinos, you can go all out and just give us some color with your monk shoes. If you want to give yourself a smart casual look, wear your suede monk shoes. All right, they just give this flair, they give this really nice polished smart casual look. And if you want to elevate your casuals, instead of wearing sneakers or loafers, you can wear your monk shoes as well. I put some pictures for you to see outfit ideas, and that is where I'm going to be drawing the curtains today. Honestly guys, the reason why I'm not going in depth is because I've done 2 separate videos on these items. All right, so now you're going to see these items I just shot for my clients in greater detail at the end of this video. I hope you love this video. If you want to shop any of these items, I offer a personal shopping service and fashion concierge service. Send me an email to the email address on your screen right now. Chat me up on Instagram also with the address on your screen right now, and I will be happy to help you order authentic items. All right, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button before you go. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.